Moncrief Heating and Air Conditioning is a residential and commercial heating and air conditioning and ventilation company. Customers can expect a highly skilled and trained professional technician to show up to their home in a fully stocked service vehicle, prepared to take care of their service requests without incentives to sell them services or goods. Moncrief is known in Atlanta mainly for top quality customer service. Our service and installations are legendary. We provide top quality craftsmanship. Moncrief is most proud of our team that we've assembled over 117 years in business, and the employees that we have are dedicated to delivering top customer service to all of our customers. Moncrief believes in getting and keeping customers, and we do that primarily through top quality customer service, upfront pricing, and an exceptional value for the quality of service delivered. Moncrief operates in the 15-county metropolitan Atlanta area. You can reach us at 404-350-2300, or you can find us online at www.moncriefair.com.